Hi, this is Jeev Ratnam and welcome to my channel Jeevan Astro Answers. In this video, I am going to discuss about the planets and its impacts in human body. It's our tradition that we are having faith in astrology and always we consider the position of the sun and other planets for to better understand our health and personality. If we want to live a happy, fit and prosperous life, we cannot just ignore our health. If we are suffering from health issues, it disturbs the whole cycle of our life. One cannot study, work or even earn if one is not healthy. To sustain this competitive world, we should all focus on our health, especially with the current levels of pollution, workload, duplicate food, pesticides, and junk food habits. Finally, we all need an extra bit of care to maintain our good health. Astrology can help you to live a healthy and fit life, as each organ, anatomical structure, and body parts is inherently influenced by astrological elements. We can predict certain things through astrology. Now, I am going to explain planets and its associated organs of the human body. Sun. It rules heart, back, spleen, blood, brain, right eye of a man, left eye of a woman, and vitality. Moon. It rules stomach, uterus, ovaries, breast, saliva, left eye of a man, right eye of a woman. Mercury. It rules nerves, mind, brain, tongue, speech, lungs, hands, arms, ears and hair. Venus. It rules throat, internal generative organs, kidneys, ovaries, complexion, veins and cheeks. Mars. It rules external generative organs, rectum, nose, forehead, gallbladder, muscles and bile. Jupiter. It rules liver, arteries, hip bones, feet, thighs, right ear. Saturn rules bones, gallbladder, skin, left ear, joints, teeth and spleen. Rahu. It rules cells, lungs, stomach and eyes. Ketu. This is the Karaka planet of the abdomen and immune system. Now we see the significators of health. The sun, moon, ascendant, the ruler of the ascendant, the ruler of the 6th house, planets in the 6th house and planets connected with the 6th house are the significators of health. Planets also plays an important role in our system. Sun. It rules the vitality. It's a constitution of the body. Sun is a natural Atma Karaka and gives health and energy. To get a good health, we should be strong and free from malefic influences, especially of the Saturn or Rahu. Moon. It rules the functional system of the body. It gets a primary importance in the case of a child. It's a very important significator of health in the case of a woman. Moon, the planet of mind, should also be free from afflictions for clear and sound thinking. 6th house. It is a house of sickness, disorder, And diseases. Diseases is judged from the sign of the sixth house. Planets in the sixth house. Ruler of the sixth house. And planets connected with the sixth house. Certain, when afflicted in the astrological chart, causes diseases associated with the malnutrients, chronic and lingering ailments, dislocations, strains, falls, blows, rheumatism, colds and chills. Mars, when afflicted in the astrological chart, causes sharp and sudden diseases, accidents, surgeries, fevers, inflammatory diseases. Jupiter, when afflicted in the astrological chart, causes liver trouble, gout, blood disorder, disorder arising from the excessive eating and indiscretion in diet. Mental instability or madness is judged from the afflictions to Moon and Mercury by the malefics. Venus, when afflicted in the astrological chart, causes throat infection, discharge from eyes, kidney failure, ovarian cyst, PCOD, damage to the skin, veins, chicks and digestive troubles. Mercury rules speech and hearing. If Sun and Moon are afflicted, eyes become weak. Mars denotes operations, sharp and sudden diseases. Certain lingering diseases like gangrene and paralysis. In conclusion, medical astrology is a part of celestial science which mainly includes the influences of constellations, zodiac signs and planets. It's a science that indicates the planetary influences which cause the various diseases, afflictions and accidents. It gives a clear picture of planets and its related to diseases. It provides the information about what disease will be produced under different planetary conditions and the duration of such diseases. Sickness in its various forms is caused through the differently composed affliction of planets in the various signs of the zodiac and houses in the horoscope. To have a sound foundation and robust health, the Lagna and its Lord should be strong, and the Lord of sixth house should be weak. Therefore, the planetary position at birth clearly indicate the nature of the diseases that we all suffer from, and also we can study when and how the infection would affect us and how to eradicate such diseases. By studying the planetary position in the birth chart, one can clearly understand the health issues and how to overcome from sickness. Thank you and have a nice day.